Hello friends, welcome to the new video of ThemHunk. I am Zain and I will show you how to duplicate a page in WordPress. Duplicating a page means you can create another page with the same designs and content. Later you can customize the new page and edit the content. It saves lots of time and energy. In this video, I will show you two methods to duplicate a page. Number 1, with WordPress plugin. And number 2, without any plugin. Let's start with the plugin method. Open your dashboard. Go to Plugins and click on Add a new plugin. Go to the search bar and search Duplicate Page. Install the plugin. And now activate it. Now head to the pages. Hover the cursor over the page that you want to copy. You can see the option, click on it. The page has been duplicated. Now you can make the changes on the duplicated page. Don't forget to save the changes. We will use Jetpack as many websites install this plugin while setting up. Possibly you might have this also. Install the Jetpack plugin and set it up. After all, go to Settings and click on Writing. Scroll down and enable this option in Composing. You can copy posts and pages both. After hovering the cursor, the copy option appears. Click on Copy. Copied post is opened. Now you can make changes here and save the post. You can see our new page here. This is a simple method to duplicate pages. Go to the page or post that you want to copy. Copy the content. You can also copy the blocks by clicking on the three dots and then on Copy All Blocks. Now create a new page and paste all the copied content here. After all, save the changes. You can publish it or put it in the draft. Go to Pages. The new page is here. So, these are some ways that can help you to duplicate the posts or pages easily. You can try any one of these methods. You can like the video if you find the video useful and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.